Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to make a new file and make sure that the width here, it says centimeters, and then make a square. So I'm going to do 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters, and then equally important, where it says DPI, that's dots per inch, you need to make that 300, otherwise it's going to be very, very low resolution. Click create and you've got your square. Now you can just simply drag this over. It's quite a big file, so I just need to shrink it down. Like that. Then I want to go onto my background layer, so make sure you've got onto the layers. I'm going to deselect auto select and make sure my transform controls are turned on. I then want to go to view and rulers. Once I've got that, I'm going to drag down the top ruler to come to the middle of my canvas, and then the one at the side also going to the middle. I then want to shrink this image so it fits in to one of my smaller squares. Now hopefully I can shrink it so the whole flower fits in perfectly, just like that. Now I don't want to go be within these lines. I need to be touching the lines at least. I'm then going to grab my rectangular marquee tool and I'm going to select what's in the box, that smaller box. Control or Command, depending if you're on a Mac or on Windows. Command C and then Command or Control V. It will ask you if you allow it to copy and paste. You just say yes and it will make a copy. I can turn off that top layer and move that back up there. Then all I need to do is Control C again, Control V, and this time I want to go over here. I want to hold the shift button down and just drag that over like that. I'm then going to hold shift again, select that, so both of these layers are selected, right click and merge layers. I'm then going to copy that again, so Control C, Control V, and then again hold shift and flip that one upside down. Just make sure it actually gets to the edge. And then merge that again. Then all I need to do, and this is a simple bit, is, believe it or not, copy that again. I'm then going to go and change this from normal to difference. And holding shift, just twist it like that. Now I can copy this layer multiple times and vary how much I twist it. And there we have it. So that is my crazy flowery kaleidoscope image. All I need to do now is go to File. If I'm still working on this, I'll save it as a PSD. But if I have finished, like I have, I'll go to Export As and go down to JPG. I'll make sure the quality is 100%. And then I will open up my Google Drive. And I will just find where I saved that first. Drag and drop that in. And then I'm done.